Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You're starting the reset now. Make sure the watch has sufficient charge and that you've backed up important data to your Google account. This preserves contacts and settings. Once done, open the Wear OS app and unpair the Pixel Watch to remove the device association and disable protections. This step prevents activation lock and simplifies repairing. If unpairing fails, you can still proceed from the watch, but unpairing first is faster and avoids account reauthentication later. Now perform the factory reset on the watch itself. Go to Settings, then System, then choose Disconnect and Reset. This clears user data and returns the device to factory firmware. Tap Reset and confirm when prompted. The watch will reboot and apply the reset, which typically takes 5 to 10 minutes. If the watch is unresponsive, use the hardware restart sequence. Press and hold the crown to access recovery options, then select Reset. This forces the same factory restore when software menus are inaccessible. Finally, once the watch restarts, follow the on-screen setup prompts to repair it with your phone and restore synced data. Make sure you sign in with the same Google account used previously. This prevents activation lock during setup. If the watch remains stuck or doesn't complete reset, try initiating the reset again from the Wear OS app on your phone or perform the hardware recovery reset one more time. If problems persist, a support center can help with deeper hardware or account issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.